Hi, I'm in New York City. This is New York City, 42nd Street. And the name of this video is Sound Effects Citibike Bell. I came over here to record a Citibike bell, and the bicycle rack is empty except for 2 bicycles. But all you need is 1, right? So this is Sound Effect Citibike Bell. I like bicycle bell sound effects, so this is Citibike Bell. Here's slow. That's the sound effect of a Citibike bell. Now I'm going to do it real fast, because most people when they ride the bicycle they do it fast, right? That's awesome. I love bicycle bells. Oh, somebody's taking one of the Citibikes. Cool. Anyway, one more time. Slow. Fast. I love bicycle bells. Anyway, that's sound effect. Sound effect, bicycle bell, Citibike bicycle bell. Awesome. Live from New York City. Cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. Citibike bell.